Help! Help! Cookleberry wants to bite me, help! And Sydney's already biting me. Daddy, Cookleberry's being all aggressive. Daddy, Daddy, Cookleberry, be nice, please. Hi, we're all here. We're trying to get along. Come on, Cookleberry. Oh, you got a cold or something. Cookleberry's sneezing. He's got some kind of thing going on. And Sydney, well, I don't know. Sydney. Sydney. And we're all sitting here. Cookleberry. Hello, everybody. Miss Sydney. Hi. Oh no. I'm getting scared. I don't know. Oh no, he's gonna take my buttons. Oh no. What's Cookleberry gonna do? Oh. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hi, Sydney. Here's my handsome. I'm right here. He's sitting on my chest. Oh, and he's taking my buttons. Well, that's what happens to all my clothes. They get the buttons taken right off. And Sydney's gonna show everybody. That's what buttons are for. They're cockatoo toys. So, in case you're thinking of getting a bird or something, just realize that all your buttons will become cockatoo toys. If you're thinking of getting a cockatoo, just some food for thought. Hi, Dad. Then we got Baby Joe trying to take off this button, and then we got Cookleberry gonna try to take off my face. He's being all aggressive, like he's gonna bite me, you little cuckoo brains. That crazy little Cookleberry. I just got birds chewing on me left and right. I don't know what to do. I got that little crazy little Cookleberry over here. He's about to do something. I just know it. Oh! Oh! Oh no! We're getting. No! Don't take that button. Oh. So we got a little situation here. I'm getting overwhelmed by these little birds and the little green one won't hesitate to draw blood. Oh, I think I sense something gonna happen any second now. Oh no, I gotta go. Okay, bye everybody. Okay, bye. Oh no, I'm about to get chomped. Oh no, bye.